Hey guys, I'm Ben and this is Lifelong Strong. I've got another great full body workout routine for you. This time we're using resistance bands. Firstly, Lifelong Strong is now on Twitter, so if you're a twit, follow me right here. How good was that quarantine beard coming in? There's a lot of haters out there, but I don't know, I think you're wrong. If you're ready to take your body weight workouts one step further, all you got to do is grab your resistance bands. If you haven't got any yet, all you've got to do is run down to your favorite sports equipment store or jump online. Amazon have a huge selection of light, medium and heavy resistance bands and they are super affordable. Before we start, if you've missed any of my body weight workout series, make sure you click on this link to take you to those videos. Now guys, today's a little bit different to what we've been doing recently. It's not a timed circuit. Rather, you'll be doing 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps of each exercise. Okay, let's get straight into the workout. Okay guys, first exercise today is a squat. We're going to be using the resistance band to provide resistance while we're doing the squat. So just like a normal air squat that you would do body weight, but we're going to add a little bit more resistance to the move. So step into your band about shoulder width, keeping your feet forward. Bring the band up over your shoulders. Hold it just like you would a barbell if you were doing a back squat with a barbell. Toes pointing forward and squat. Keeping the weight on the heels. Getting nice and deep. Now one of the things, I know you're thinking, 10 to 15 reps, 3 or 4 sets, what if I can do a whole lot more than that? Well, there's a few things you can do. Obviously you can grab a heavier band. I've actually got 4 different resistance bands. But if you don't have that luxury, there's a number of things you can do. Slow the movement down is the first thing. So, instead of powering through your reps, take it nice and easy. Slow it down. Time under tension makes the exercise harder. Also, at the top of the movement, in the contraction, really want you to squeeze the muscle that you're working. So in this case, it's predominantly quads. So at the top of the movement, I really want you to squeeze the quads. You can really feel the muscle working harder as you squeeze. Okay, moving on to the next exercise. We've got a floor press, so we're going to get down on the ground. So down on the ground, guys. Bring the band behind your back. Holding the band between the thumb and across your palm. Lay down just like you would for a bench press, but keeping your knees bent. Flat, feet flat on the ground. And push up. Get a good squeeze at the top again. Do squeeze the chest at the top. The goal here is to feel the muscle working. You're not using a lot of weight like you would if you were using barbells or dumbbells. So the key is to make the most out of the resistance that's being applied. Really squeeze that chest. Okay, our next exercise is a low row. You're going to need something to attach your band to this time. I've got a post here that I can attach my band to, but you can attach it to a leg of a table. Just anything sturdy. So attach the band at about thigh height. I'm going to hold the band about shoulder width apart. Palms facing down. Soften the knees and pull the band into your rib cage. Really squeeze. Squeeze. Your starting position should be arms fully extended. There should be a tiny bit of tension already on the band when you're in that position, so that as you squeeze in, that band is always under tension. It's never slack. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Again, slow it down as much as you need to really make it work. Okay, our next workout is a torso twist. We're going to keep the band tied to the leg of the table or whatever you've tied it to. And stand side on to the band this time. Holding it in one hand. Again, a little bit of tension as your arm is fully extended. Turn over and grab the bar, turn over and grab the band with the other hand. And you're going to twist the torso like so. Keeping the core really tight. Nice and controlled. So you'll do 10 to 15 reps on one side before turning around, facing the other way, and doing the other side. Really great core exercise. Oh, I really feel that. Okay, turn around and do the other side. Okay, our next exercise is a lateral raise. We're going to be working the shoulders. Stand with one foot on the band. Hold the band at the same side as the foot. Arm out to the side, and you're going to lift the arm really controlled right up. So we don't want to go down too low, so we want to keep tension in the band. So don't come all the way back down to your side. I want to finish at about, I don't know, 45 degrees there. Up. Same at the top. Don't come all the way to the top because then all of the force is pushing down. We want to keep the tension in the shoulder. 10 to 15 reps on that side. Then turn over, change sides, do the other shoulder. It's really important with this exercise to keep this shoulder isolated. So we don't want to put too much movement from the rest of the body. So don't want to be doing too much help from the hips driving through. Keep it nice and still. It's going to hurt, but it's worth it in the long run. Okay, last exercise. Bicep curl. Really simple. Stand on the band, about shoulder width apart. Feet facing forward. Arms also shoulder width apart. Palms facing forward under the band. Arms fully extended. And curl. Curl. Again, really try to squeeze the bicep at the top of the movement. Keep it nice and controlled. We don't want fast movements. You'll be able to do that all day. You'll be amazed at just slowing the movement down and concentrating on getting a good squeeze. It's going to make a hell of a difference to the effectiveness. There you go. These 6 exercises today, guys. Hope you found that helpful. If you're not a subscriber to my channel already, please do so. Hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, turn notifications on so you see all of my future videos, and leave a comment if you've got anything you'd like to say. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. I do have another one of these resistance bands coming up shortly. Till then, stay safe.